This is a topic that we get asked a lot about, and no, I'm not against gluten and dairy. And if you are, then it's something that is very, very individualized. So yes, people do react to gluten. Yes, people do react to dairy. Like the actual kind of real sensitivities or kind of intolerances. Yeah, it's very rare. But yeah, sensitivities do occur. So the number one thing that I see is it's dose dependent. Like the amount of gluten that people eat is, like say for example, like if you ate like a little bit of bread, or like a wrap or a half a bagel or something like that, usually it's the case that people don't react to that. But if you eat a Subway, then you're eating a lot of, or a massive baguette, or a bowl of pasta or something like this, then the dose of the carbohydrates and the dose of the gluten is going to be a lot bigger. So we often see that people that like moan about gluten or moan about dairy, like usually it's dose dependent. If you're eating a massive amounts of it in one sitting, then yeah, you're going to react because you're asking the body to digest something that's a massive hit. So if you just drip fed it or maybe kind of lowered the amount that you're eating, then you might find that you can actually include it in your diet with absolutely no problems at all. So no, it's not the devil. There's some really massive benefits of dairy, in terms of protein sources, in terms of different nutrients. So getting them into your diet is fantastic, but you don't need to eat 500 grams of yogurt like in one sitting just before bed. Chucking in all the extras such as fruits and nuts and seeds and nut butters and all of this, then yeah, your body's going to react. So it's the age old one of you go out and sink 10 pints and it was the bit of food that you had that caused you to be feeling sick the next day. It's the same with gluten and dairy. Just manage your intake, maybe kind of like lower the portion sizes, and then you see how you react to it. And it's also, again, you don't have to have it at every meal. You don't have to have it every day. Like you might have dairy 3 times a week and you'll be absolutely fine. But to say that you need to remove it from your diet completely, I would probably say just maybe try reducing it, the amount that you're eating, and reduce the frequency that you're eating, and see how you react. So I hope that helps. Maybe then you can not be that guy that has to kind of or girl, just reduce that gluten and reduce that dairy and make all of these weird food choices. So that's my view on it, and let me know your thoughts.